Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be kind of explaining to you guys everything you need to know about the Gilded Acorn item ordering service in Heartopia. So I have reached DG level 35, and basically I am able to order furniture and clothing. But before that, you actually get this item from Kaching. So once you've hit level 35, you are just going to talk to Kaching and you'll be given this. It's called an order ticket. It says obtain from certain surprise gacha from daily quest, but the chances are so low, like 3%-ish, and can be used at ordering machine to order store items. You can also get stamps from other DG members. Make sure you cook them food because it does use up their energy. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to go around this town and I will ask for stamps. Hopefully people get me some. And you'll see in a minute why you want to use the order ticket stamps. And yeah, I'll be right back. Then, once you're done cooking your foods, or maybe you already have some in your inventory, go around and go to your neighbor's house, water their plants, and just be nice. So you'll get the stamp. And then you're just going to get the ticket from your inventory and you're going to open it and there will be like this little icon that people are able to press. And then once they have given you the stamp, you are obviously going to give them food to give them energy. Once you are done collecting your stamps, you're just going to go back to this place here. Select the box icon and you can either order furniture or clothing. I'm just going to order furniture here. And some of them requires wishing stars, some of them you can purchase using gold coins. And the more stamps you got from your friends, the faster your item will come. I have been wanting this booth sofa in this color, so let's order that. Select order tickets to use. You'll get one from Kaching, at the beginning when you start this quest. Confirm order. And time until arrival is 3 hours. So 3 to 4 did I say 3 hours? Sorry, 2 days. It's gonna take 2 days for this to arrive. So it's because I got stamps from other DG members. And yeah, I'm just going to leave. Don't give up, just leave here. Yeah, successfully ordered the items on the left. Please come to this machine to make payment after the countdown ends. So you'll have 3 days to get it. You'll still need the wishing stars and the coins to kind of pay for it. So you pay later. So I'm just going to press leave here. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can't order more than one item, so yeah, just be patient. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I will check in back with you guys in 3 days. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!